If you take your fitness and nutrition seriously, then you already know having the right protein shaker bottle can make a huge difference. From smooth shakes to leak-proof lids, today we're counting down the top 5 best protein shaker bottles that make fueling up easy and convenient. Stay tuned till the end, because number 1 has a feature you'll wish every shaker had. At number 5, we have the Mr. Penn Protein Shaker Bottles. Mr. Penn Protein Shaker Bottles offer a practical solution for anyone committed to maintaining their nutrition and fitness routine. This set includes 2 28-ounce bottles, providing flexibility and convenience, one ready for immediate use and the other on standby. Ideal for busy lifestyles, these bottles ensure you always have a shake available, whether it's a protein supplement, meal replacement, or other nutritional drink. Each bottle is equipped with a stainless steel wire whisk ball, designed to mix contents thoroughly and eliminate clumps, delivering a smooth and consistent shake every time. The combination of a secure screw-on lid and flip cap ensures the bottles are leak-proof, giving users confidence when carrying them in a gym bag or placing them on any surface without worrying about spills. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, Mr. Penn shaker bottles are made to last and safe for everyday use. Their semi-transparent design allows you to monitor your mix and track your intake effortlessly. Compact and lightweight, these bottles are easy to transport, making them suitable for a wide range of activities, from workouts at the gym to outdoor adventures or office use. The twin pack design enhances convenience, allowing users to have one bottle filled and ready while keeping the other clean and accessible. Whether you are focused on fitness, nutrition, or simply maintaining a balanced lifestyle, Mr. Penn shaker bottles provide a reliable and user-friendly way to enjoy your shakes anytime, anywhere. These bottles combine functionality, durability, and ease of use in a simple yet effective design, making them a practical companion for anyone on the go who wants to stay consistent with their nutritional goals. Next up, at number 4, we have the Hydrojug Protein Shaker Bottles. Hydrojug protein shaker bottles are designed to make staying fueled on the go effortless and convenient. With a 20-ounce capacity, these shaker bottles are perfectly sized for protein shakes, pre-workout drinks, or iced beverages, making them an ideal companion for workouts, travel, or daily hydration needs. Built for an active lifestyle, the ergonomic design and lightweight construction allow the bottle to easily fit in gym bags, backpacks, or car cup holders, ensuring you can carry it anywhere with ease. Made from BPA-free materials, Hydrojug shaker bottles prioritize safety while offering long-lasting durability. The smooth interior makes cleaning simple, so you can maintain a fresh, hygienic bottle without any hassle. One of the standout features of this shaker is its leak-proof lid. You can shake and mix your drinks with confidence, knowing that spills and leaks are kept at bay. Unlike traditional protein shakers with noisy metal whisk balls, Hydrojug uses a built-in silent mixing grate. This innovative design creates a smooth, clump-free blend every time, without the extra noise or cleanup, providing a seamless and enjoyable drinking experience. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to the office, or simply staying hydrated throughout the day, Hydrojug protein shaker bottles combine practicality, durability, and smart design into one sleek, reliable bottle that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Taking the third spot is the Promixx Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottles. The Promixx Pursuit Protein Shaker Bottle is designed for fitness enthusiasts who demand convenience, performance, and durability in their workout routines. With its newly updated logo, the shaker maintains the trusted quality of Promixx while offering an upgraded design that complements any active lifestyle. At the heart of the shaker is its ultra-smooth, silent mixing system. The SnapFit agitator blends protein powders, vegan mixes, green supplements, and creatine efficiently, producing lump-free shakes in seconds. Unlike traditional whisk balls, it operates quietly and avoids any metallic taste, delivering a superior mixing experience every time. The bottle is engineered to be leak-proof, ensuring your drinks stay securely contained during commutes or trips to the gym. Its threaded lid and snap-tight cap provide a reliable seal, while the slim profile makes it compatible with most car cup holders, so you can take your shakes wherever your day takes you. Constructed from premium EcoZen material, the The Promixx Pursuit shaker is crystal clear, shatter-resistant, and resistant to odors and stains, guaranteeing a fresher taste with every sip. Free from BPA, BPS, and phthalates, it prioritizes safety without compromising on durability or style. Precision measurement is another standout feature, with dual-scale markings that allow for accurate scoops and hydration tracking. The 28-ounce capacity ensures the shaker is ideal for both protein shakes and daily hydration needs, making it a reliable companion for training sessions, recovery, or on-the-go nutrition. Combining thoughtful engineering, premium materials, and practical design, the Promixx Pursuit protein shaker bottle elevates everyday fitness routines, making nutrition simple, effective, and enjoyable. Coming in at number 2 is the Velomix protein shaker bottles. Velomix protein shaker bottles redefine convenience and style for anyone committed to an active lifestyle. Designed with a 100% leak-proof guarantee, these bottles ensure every drop of your protein shake stays contained, making them the perfect companion for workouts, commutes, or busy days on the go. With careful attention to detail, Velomix combines functionality and durability, offering a bottle that withstands daily use while remaining easy to clean. A quick rinse is all it takes to prepare for your next shake. Crafted with premium quality materials, Velomix shakers deliver top-tier performance without the premium price tag. Each bottle is engineered to mix protein powders, vegan blends, or meal supplements smoothly, giving you lump-free shakes every time. Beyond performance, these shakers bring versatility to your routine. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, they cater to individual tastes and lifestyles, whether you're at the gym, office, or on an outdoor adventure. Built for both active souls and everyday hustlers, Velomix protein shaker bottles combine reliability with practicality. Their thoughtful design ensures comfort during use, ease of cleaning, and the durability to withstand frequent handling. With Velomix, hydration and nutrition meet style and convenience, offering a solution that seamlessly fits into the rhythm of modern life. Every aspect of Velomix protein shaker bottles is focused on making your daily nutrition effortless, efficient, and enjoyable. From their leak-proof design to their vibrant variety, these shakers provide a dependable, stylish companion for your health and fitness journey. And finally, our top pick, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles. The BlenderBottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles come in a convenient pack of 3, each with a 20-ounce capacity, designed for seamless mixing of protein shakes, smoothies, and other supplements. Featuring the latest V2 upgrades, these shaker bottles showcase a modern design with a rounded base that ensures thorough blending with every use. The patented mixing system includes a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk, engineered to deliver smooth, lump-free results. The bottles are designed with practicality in mind. A wide mouth allows for easy addition of powders and liquids, while embossed markings provide clear measurements in both ounces and milliliters. The screw-on lid forms a secure, leak-proof seal, and the flip cap incorporates a spout guard to keep the mouthpiece clean during transport. Additionally, the wide loop top offers versatile carrying options, allowing the bottle to easily attach to bags or keys. Durable, functional, and thoughtfully designed, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 combines high-quality materials with user-friendly features. Its reliable mixing system and practical design make it a suitable companion for workouts, meal prep, or daily hydration needs. Whether preparing protein shakes at home, in the gym, or on the go, these shaker bottles provide a seamless and efficient experience, ensuring your supplements are always well mixed and ready to consume. With attention to both performance and convenience, the BlenderBottle Classic V2 offers a balance of innovative design and everyday practicality, making it a staple for anyone serious about fitness and nutrition.